It's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Come see us today at Marin Mazda. Our staff is polite, courteous, and efficient. Plus, we have an incredible selection of pre-owned vehicles. You can find us on Blvd in San Rafael.